This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: updated iOS, active Apple ID, and either Face ID or Touch ID enabled. Open Wallet and tap the plus icon to add a card. This starts secure tokenization, which keeps your actual card number private. Once done, scan the physical card or type numbers manually, then follow the bank's verification, a text, app prompt, or phone call. Make sure you complete verification now, so the card is ready for quick payments at contactless terminals. Once your card is added, configure wallet settings so payments are seamless. Go to Settings, Wallet and Apple Pay, and pick your default card. This matters when you hold iPhone to a reader. If you use transit, enable Express Transit to skip authentication for buses and trains. Make sure billing and shipping defaults match your bank records to avoid declines. Finally, verify the card status shows verified. That confirms the network and bank accepted tokenization, and you're authorized to pay. You finish by practicing a real payment. For Face ID, double-click the side button, glance to authenticate, then hold the top of the iPhone near the contactless reader until you see Done. For Touch ID, rest your finger and bring the phone close to the reader. If a payment fails, don't panic. Check cellular or Wi-Fi, confirm card limits or holds in your bank app, and re-verify the card and wallet. If issues persist, remove and re-add the card to refresh tokenization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.